using an evacuation slide, remove any high-heeled shoes and be sure to leave everything behind. To put on your life vest, remove it from the plastic cover and slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist, connect the clip, and pull to tighten. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the mouthpiece. Life vests have a whistle and a light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children. Inflate your life vest only at the exit door and step into the raft. Life vests are located under or between your seats.
Japan 827 Sierra 7 Gateway 8 kilo.
Japan 827 ground,
All
runway 1 flight,
non-electronic
UNH
devices, such as
3022,
laptops, must be stowed for taxi,
Sierra 7,
takeoff, and
route 5,
landing.
Caution Sierra 4.
Lightweight electronic
Sierra
devices,
7
such as mobile phones and tablets, must be switched off or set to flight mode.
Please set parking brakes.
During these times, charging your electronic devices is also not allowed. If you're not using your device, it must
Waiting your
be
confirmation for a good engine start.
placed in the seat pocket in front of you. If your device drops into the gap between the seats, refrain from
Cockpit to ground.
201.
We have a good engine start. You can disconnect.
Caution Sierra 4.
택시비아 키로 산이보시오 시에라 4
Remind you
이시야
that this is a
201.
non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the charging and use of e-cigarettes, is prohibited throughout the aircraft, including the lavatories. Thank you for your attention. Refer to the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you for more information. On behalf of Singapore
Unlocking gear.
hope you have a good time aboard as well as in Singapore or anywhere else in the world.
North 8518, good morning ground, taxi back kilo, Charlie, Caution Sierra 4.
Charlie Hotel Sierra 4
Tow truck disconnected. Bypass pin removed. Left is clear. Right is clear.
Japan 941 approaching Sierra 7 and incoming kilo.
Japan 941 ground, runway 1 flight, taxi Sierra 7, route 5, Caution Sierra 4.
Sierra 7, route 5, Hotel Sierra 4, 1 strike, Japan 941. Ground Japan 873, Echo 5 Gateway.
Japan 873 ground, runway 1 flight, UNH 3022, ignition kilo, taxi Echo 5, and hold shuttle kilo.
That's Echo 5, hold shuttle kilo, Japan 873, we have kilo.
Japan 873, taxi behind ANA 875 ground, taxi via Kilo, Charlie, hold short Sierra 4.
Kilo, Charlie, hold short of Sierra 4, heading 577.
Japan Air 941, contact ground 1.95.
1195, Japan Air 941.
Gina 201, contact ground 1.95.
Contact ground 101, get 195, air 201,
Good day.
Cabin crew to your takeoff stations.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened and your window shades are drawn up. Thank you.
Felix 87 ground, you are good home, Bravo 6, taxi via Kilo, Charlie, hold short Sierra 4.
Kilo, Charlie, hold short Sierra 4, FedEx.
Original 203 ground, runway 1 right, taxi via Echo 3, route 5, hold short Sierra 4.
Runway 165 to taxi via 205, hold short Sierra 4. Original 203.
Kaohsiung Tower, Singapore 773, ready at runway 9er south departure.
Singapore 77 tree, wind calm south, departure approved. Cleared for takeoff runway 9er.
Cleared for takeoff runway 9er, Singapore 773.
V1, rotate, V2. Positive rate.
Singapore 77 tree, continue for south departure.
Kaohsiung Tower, Singapore 773, continue for south departure.
For your safety,
133
please remain
decimal
seated
1
with your
Singapore
seatbelt
77
fastened
tree.
until the seatbelt sign
Goodbye.
is turned off.
Taipei
Whenever the
Center
seatbelt
Singapore
sign is turned on,
773
toilets
8600
should not be
feet.
used, and we apologize that we are unable to serve hot beverages. Infants have to be carried out from the bassinet and secured with infant seat belts. Thank you.
128, you are 1,900 feet below your assigned altitude. Climb and maintain flight level tree 70. Singapore 77 tree contact Kaohsiung approach on 119.5. Good day.
Going to 119.5 Singapore 77 tree. Kaohsiung approach Singapore 77 tree 9,600 feet.
Singapore 77 tree Kaohsiung approach altimeter 29.80 radar contact. Continue. Singapore 77
Ladies
tree
and gentlemen,
contact
we should be
Taipei
starting our
Center
meals
on
and drink service.
133.1.
For your entertainment, we have a
Good
wide
day.
selection video and audio channels. Program details
Going
can be
to
found in the travel
133.1
magazine along with
Singapore
healthy flying
77
tips to
tree.
help you feel relaxed during your flight.
Taipei Center
We're delighted
Singapore
to offer you an
77 tree
exclusive in-flight shopping experience after the
10,300
meal
feet.
service. Product details available for selection can be found in Discover the Shop magazine in your seat pocket. Electronic devices such as laptop computers may now be switched on. If your electronic device has Bluetooth or Wi-Fi functions, please ensure these are disabled as they may interfere with aircraft instruments and systems. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened. If using a blanket, please fasten your seatbelt over the top so that we do not disturb you when the seatbelt sign is switched on. Thank you.